Okay, so this is exciting. We are starting off the print for the right wing. The left wing has completed correctly and beautifully, so here we go. So far so good. And I think in about 3 or just a little bit more than 3 hours we should have a second wing. Again, the beauty of this process here is that on a Delta printer, unlike on a Cartesian style printer, and using pretty much the default settings on this for speed and all that good stuff that came with the FL Sun, it has a modified version of Cura that is designed specifically to run very well with it, and so
Likey